Greetings to all Ethiopia TV viewers and you're watching Ethiopia TV. So guys, as you can see, it's raining, but it doesn't change the fact that today is the 21st of March 2026. It's the Human Rights Day, and I'm with a gentleman with me. But then before that, you can see behind me there's aerobic session that is taking place right now. So it's a lot that is happening at Ethiopia Park. This is where we at today as Ethiopia TV. Let me introduce, or just help me welcome my guest. How are you, sir?
I'm good, and you, sir?
No, I'm fine. Introduce yourself to our viewers at Ethiopia TV.
Okay, my name is Morena from Everhead, but I grew up here at Ethiopia, and I bought the house at Everhead, but I'm giving back to the community whereby I see the event every year, 21 March, and the Human Rights Day. We've seen fitness into ehamba phambili ngamalanga, and we need to show ukuthi abantu abasha join, abantu abadala they join sizophila happy lifestyle. We are going to hit amatap for ekuqaleni siyayihlanganisa of is my brand sibe United Brothers Service Society ekhona naye I'm a woman leader of Flora bese sibe orientation leader of course. You are much
Oh yes, so I see there's so much stakeholders in this. There's a lot of stakeholders at present there. But then what is the purpose of this initiative and why it is celebrated here in Ethiopia Park today? And when did you start the whole initiative?
It's about 5 years now, physically, but it's a rotating thing. In other years, we said the Fed Act in Barcelona, every time it's for the one year, I'm a number of Babi,
and then so what are the activities that people can expect today?
Then we starting a 5 and 10K 10K run of which ihamba la Ethiopia, then after my aerobics section at PS2.
And then from here, where to?
From now, bantu bangabona ukuthi bayaphi ngoba kuyi-holiday, but after that lapho izochila khona si-brainstorm ukuthi what's the plan for next event. Then as we see na la ngemva kwethu kune-auditorium kune-note of our official sponsors abasizile lana ukuthi.
So guys, like I said, we are engaging everyone that is part and parcel of the initiative today. Remember, it's Human Rights Day. It's the 21st of March 2026, and this is how others commemorate their day. As you can see right behind me, there's aerobic sessions. There was a 5 to 10 kilometer walk, walking the streets of Ethiopia. So just without any further waste of time, let me introduce, help me bring in the gentleman. How are you?
Good. Everybody must laugh. Esikhathini esiningi thina siwajwayelanga ama-interview. Ngiyaqala uku-interviewa today, and manje u-interviewa uBheki wakahlatshwayo today.
Oh, Bheki wakahlatshwayo. Okay, no, ngiyabonga kakhulu Mr. Bheki. And then ku-United Brothers, what is your role? And then why did you find it more important ukuthi nibe khona la namhlanje nenze this great initiative?
I'm a full member ya United Brothers, okwazi ukuthi mhlambe makukhona izinto ezenzakalayo ngizifake ngikhone ukuparticipate entweni ezifana nalezo. Ingakho bakhonile ukuthi bathi angibe iparty yale event eyenzeka namuhla. Yes, okuningi yiko lokho engakusho kamanje.
And then no, that's nice. And what does Human Rights Day mean to you? Lisho ukuthini lelanga leli namhlanje?
Lelanga la namhlanje lingibusise kakhulu ngoba mangikhumbula kahle ngenkathi zobandlululo besingakhoni ukuzikhulumela njengabantu abamnyama ebebacindezelekile. Ngikhule kuso leso simo nami ngoba mangithi ngiyabheka ngikuleyo age leyo ebeyilwa nobandlululo ngaBiden.
Oh, so you were there also. Now ukhona but ubuka.
Yes, yeah, but being young, but bengibona izinto azenzeka ngithi. Yeah, which means I'm a part yaleyo nto leyo ukuthi ngiyalwazi ubandlululo kuze kanjani ukuthi namuhla size sikhululeke sazi ukuthi ubaba unamalungelo abantwana bethu banamalungelo. You means right, it means into ezifana nalezo.
And then for these type of events enwayenza because ngiyezwa you are doing them annually.
Okay.
Are they free of charge? Because I can see a lot of community members. As much as you have a big audience here.
Yes.
Kunabanye community members who are passing by who don't understand what is happening but babona ama-plan nani.
Oh, yes.
What can you say? Is it free of charge? Kungenwa ngani? And then niwayenza nini lama event? Babona kuphi nitholakala?
Okay. Esikhathini esiningi la event esiyenze namuhla bengeke ngithi is free of charge ngoba sicelile i-donation kubantu abazoparticipate kodwa asifostanga umuntu ukuthi mawunganako lokho okuncane ngoba sizodonatela ikolo ezifana nabo JS Malaza. If we get ilona ama-donation amaningi sinaso esinye isikolo la around ebathi WJ Mpengezi.
Uma nibona guys bazivocavoca abantu emuva. This is the lady beside me who is in charge of that and she'll be speaking to you guys, engaging you as our audience in Eto'o. How are you?
Happy journey.
Can you introduce yourself to our viewers at home?
Hi, igama lami ngizobile wakwaDlamini. Ngiyaziwa ngoKing Q ke. Ngikuma aerobics ngihlala
Oh, Queen Q or
King Q.
Okay, I thought I didn't get that.
King Q.
No, so when you start with aerobics, because aerobics it's health, cardiovascular.
Yes.
So yeah, when did you start and how important are they?
I was introduced to my aerobics by abosisa abanye bakhona ama-instructors akhona la ekhaya, so bathi inspiration drawing from at home. I think it's 3 years back mina mostly military but then my aerobics.
Oh, so are you part of the people who are coaching or?
Yes, no instructor on my aerobics.
And then do you normally do them Guma events like this or you have classes around the world? Let's talk about that.
Classes yet, but we have events like regional events, events that are directly, or like community, and then walking back to the time. Most of the time, for now, and then in the years I go to Santa one like I come to your house, get you in now, and then
but then why did you find it more important for you guys to be in this particular initiative? Yes.
Okay, I think fitness is well, right? And community is most of them engage because they're very negative, and we are engaged because most of the bigger we need as a band so they can come.
Okay.
This is fixing equipment.
Yes. And then today it's Human Rights Day. If we remember as a country, this is the day whereby it reminds us that where we are today, it wasn't easy for us to get where we are, the freedom that we have. So any comment, what can you say as we celebrate this day?
About Human Rights Day, I can't comment much because I'm going to expose much those things. But hearing from about Shabakuya, is it just a thing? vele bezaziwa njengezinto zabantu understand mangithi bezaziwa njengezinto zabantu abarich abantu abanemali abelokhathela so manje sikubonisa ukuthi wonke umuntu able to do anything.
No, it's fine. Okay, can you teach me just 2 moves? Let's see.
I think I touch kuma aerobics. I see touch functional.
Okay, go functional.
Yeah,
yes.
this one is very helpful, ne?
Okay.
Now sizoqinisa amadola ngisho. Siyazi ukuthi ama squats are good for amadola.
So guys, this is it. Okay, I hope you enjoy.
I'm alright. My name is Amos Mashishi. I'm from Men of Vision, the organization, the Burial Society. Today's program we started by doing the walk, 5-kilometer walk, and then now we're doing the aerobics, and then later on we're gonna give away the gifts for charity for the school, or I don't know what is it they're gonna give charity to. But the main thing, we are here to give charity to the orphans and all those people. We have things that we need to give to the others so that we can help the community.
Human Rights Day, it's a fabulous day. It reminds us of our history, where we're coming from, especially with what happened, in the past, So in this day we had our rights, Yeah.
So I see already you enjoying your day.
Yeah, I'm enjoying my day. Health-wise, we're enjoying our day, We're here because of, health.
And then did you do your 5 to 10 kilometer run?
Yes, we did. I did 5 kilometers because of we like to, promote, the product,
Yes, and then take us through Khapa Pharma. Oh, sorry.
Pharmaceutical.
Oh, Khapa Pharma. Yes.
Yeah.
Take us through your product. And then why did you find it more important for you guys to be part and parcel of this initiative?
Yeah, okay. Khapa Pharma is a 100% black-owned company. It was established in 2022. We're supplying pharmaceutical products, health supplements. At the moment, we've got 2 health supplement products. Hence, we're here, because of we athletes, and health is our
Yes.
main priority for our communities. So at the moment we've got 2 products. We've got Joint Master.
Yes,
It's called Joint Master. Joint Master
Okay.
tablets.
Yes, yes.
So what Joint Master tablets do, they help your body to create its own collagen hormone.
Okay.
Yeah, so it creates lubricates your joints, and then it regenerates your bone cartilage anywhere where there is bones. It supports your joints, it eases the pain, it gives density to your bones. It's got calcium as well.
So-
It acts as an antioxidant as well.
Okay, so where do people find these products?
These products are available here in Joburg, Devon, but here in Tshwatha they are available at the following pharmacies: in Cloverdene Pharmacy in Davidton, and they are available in Misaveni Pharmacy in Hummingbird Street, and then they're also available in Mukwape Pharmacy, Duduza in Dulula Street.
Oh, hayi igama lami ngoPaul Mohlala.
Oh.
Yes, Paul Mohlala.
Yes, yes.
Yes, executive here UPBC, which is United Brothers Burial Club.
So namhlanje Human Rights Day. Yes, libaluleke kangakanani langa kuwe?
Oh, lelanga libaluleke ngendlela yokuthi it's a great day for thina. That's the reason why sikwazile ukuthi nale event le fun walk si-host namhlanje, so that it can accommodate wonke umuntu okhona. Ngaleyo ndlela le the way ngiyibeka ngakhona ukuthi ibaluleke ngaleyo ndlela, ngoba kumanje uma ungabheka ilanga lethu lenkululeko, ilanga lethu lokuthi sizikhombise ubuntu bethu. So thina decide ukuthi instead of sibe ilabantu abazogqoka ama-traditional it's better for us to host i-event enjengale ezokwazi ukuthi isize those vulnerable kids abaswela into ezinjengoma-sanitary toiletries. So today we are gathered here ukuthi sihlanganise lezo zinto ezinawubona zilapha zilindwe nje ukuthi zihande over kulabo bantwana labo. Okay, i-vote of thanks ngizocala ngibonge iThwathwa TV ukusabela ukuthi njengoba sibabizile bafika in time, and then ba-cater i-service yethu kahle ngendlela e-right. And then I also like to thank wonke ama-sponsor aye afaka isandla, even the law enforcement for protection yabo. Ngithanda ukubonga kakhulu futhi kwesayidi labo ukuthi bayenze into yethu, i-event yethu ihambe ibe successful. And then also the community of iThwathwa to allow us ukuthi si-hoste i-event enjengale, singabi any disturbance kule park. And then also like to thank zonke ikolo ezikwazile ukuthi zisimukele sizocela ama-list wabantwana abangathi bayadinga into ezinjengalezo besizozigiva out.
No, siyabonga kakhulu and thank you for your time, Isikhathi.